Building good habits can be tricky. Sure, you can do something for a month and it has a chance of becoming a habit, something you do without thinking too much about it. It's good on paper, but it really works for me. The practice starts off great, but I usually go off rails after a while. Let's take my failed journaling habit for an example. In the last few years, I have tried building a journaling habit many times. At first, I tried a freeform journaling habit where I opened a note on my phone and started writing whatever came to my mind. This worked for a while and I did it for a couple of months, but then I stopped. At first I missed a day, then another, and then after a while I didn't feel like doing it anymore. I thought format was the problem. So I changed the format to a new thing called 111 journaling. Every day I wrote one win, one source of stress, and one point of gratitude in a blank note. The practice was easy, something that shouldn't take more than 5 minutes a day, and I thought I could do it for a long time. But the practice only lasted a couple of weeks. So then I tried a different format where I wrote the highlight of each day and marked whether I did a habit or not, such as reading or exercising. I did this for about 2 to 3 months, but then I stopped again. So by this time I knew format was not the problem here. The problem was I didn't know why I wanted to journal. I had read about the benefits of journaling on other blogs, but I didn't have a plan for it. I just wanted to try it out. So it was more of an imitation rather than inspiration. I didn't have a reason to journal other than a few recommendations from different blog posts. Now let's compare this journaling habit to a habit of waking up early in the morning every day. I have been waking up at 6 to 6:15 in the morning every day for over a year, and I have rarely missed. So what changed? Instead of forcing myself to wake up every day for a month or so, I asked myself, why do I want to do this? The answer was easy. I wanted to wake up early in the morning to have as much time as I could to work on my business without burning out. By waking up early, I could start and finish work by late afternoon, go to the gym, and then have a relaxing time reading a book or watching a movie. The crucial factor here was I was clear on why I wanted to build this habit. By being clear on the why, I was able to depend on an internal drive rather than a sheer willpower. Sure, there were days when I wanted to sleep in because the weather was cozy, or nights when I wanted to binge watch TV shows, but remembering why I wanted to wake up early next morning helped me defeat those urges and stick to the routine. And I did the same with my workout habit. I've been going to the gym 5 days a week for over a year now because I know why I wanted to do it. Before building this habit of exercising regularly, I felt lethargic and had severe back pain. I wanted to exercise regularly because I didn't want to feel that way anymore. Also, I realized that if I don't take care of my body now, my health is going to get worse over time. So that's my secret. Before starting to build a new habit, understand why you want to do it. When you're clear on your why, it's easier to stick to a habit long term over trying to trick your brain into following a habit. I hope this has been helpful. By the way, I started recording videos after 2 years. So if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.